early morning flight going to... Oh, that's hot. Going to LA.
I
Yeah,
cannot
so
eat
hot.
anything.
Yeah, she wants to eat everything.
I cannot eat anything. So spicy.
Which one?
Everything.
Why don't you try the ano?
What?
The bread.
I
That's spicy, that's mustard. How about this one? And then this one, the chocolate. Let me try this. How about the bread and the steak? Oh.
Mommy, where are we when it was your first time to vlog? Where are we?
I think in Japan? That's the first time. Right? You mean the travel? Yeah, in Japan. Oh, Boracay! Remember? That's our first vlog. That's our first vlog. Boracay.
Then where is it?
Oh, there, in my YouTube.
I didn't even see it.
Really?
Yeah.
Later, I'll show you.
If you found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one, yeah, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Memory lane isn't that too far away from our hearts, yeah, yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never let go.
Kuya, come on, let's go upstairs. Person over here. Okay. Next one. Can I see that? Who gave you that one? The earmuff.
What?
Who gave you the earmuff?
Wait.
Who gave you
Tita
that?
Sugar.
Who?
Tita Sugar.
Oh, Tita Sugar. Let me see. Wow, thanks Tita Sugar. For my super cute earmuff. Hey. Careful. Haha. Go push. Kuya push. The wine. Look at the wine. What's the name of the wine?
Josh Taylor.
Josh Stellar. What's that?
I don't know.
Josh. That's Tita Josh. Hi guys. Nag-washing ako ng mga damit. Pero since pati yung damit ni Sofia and very delicate, hinag-wash ko na lang. And sige, go!
Squish it.
And then squish it. Okay. Naka naman. that. Good job. Good morning. Time check. It's 1:45 a.m. Hindi yung jet lang namin. Hindi kami makatulog. Since it's 4 p.m. Manila time. Corned beef. There's cold beef. It's 2 a.m. in the morning here. Sa Philippines, mga 6 p.m. So, supposedly dinner time na. Kaya gutom na gutom kami. Nagising kami. Para magluto ko ang chicken and corned beef. Hindi na kinaya ni Cody ng gutom. So, ginigising niya ako. Sabi niya, Mommy, I'm so hungry. So, ay gutom rin ako. So, nadamay na ako. Oh my God. That's huge. What's that? That's so huge. Wow.
The huge one.
Close the door.
Why?
You have to show me. You have to show me. Oh my God, that's huge. Who gave that to you? Huh? Who bought this?
I wonder who was in the car.
Oh,
It's a type of a boy.
that's the delivery man. Say thank you, Nina Lisa.
Yeah.
Huge.
Sorry.
Masarap po. Okay.
This is lobster. Look at my baby, he's eating. How was it? Good? Super good? Yummy? It melts in your mouth, right?
The baby looks like he will go down.
Uh-oh. Look at this little girl. So kulit. She wants to go down. She wants to crawl. Where are we? Boss. No, Outlet Mall. There's your daddy. Dito kami ngayon sa Outlet Mall. Grabe. Sobrang daming tao. At sobrang haba ng mga pila. Mga naghahabol for Christmas shopping. Kada store may pila. Imagine. Sobrang like yan, post may pila. Yes! What do you want? You got the ball!
Kunuha!
Charging pa rin mo. Charging.
That's the ball!
Lola.
You got the ball! Eat the ball! Good morning! Today is December 24. Philippines Christmas Eve na. So, Merry Christmas! Morning walk. Super lamig. We lost one of her teethers. So, ayan. Kuya to the rescue.
You've arrived at your destination.
This boy is so back to his favorite place. Best day ever for Kuya. Chuck and cheese. Favorite. Hi. Okay. Come in daw. You press. Alam ni Daddy yan na pinipindot. Oh, there's a... It's bigger than the other Chuck and cheese. Look, there's a trampoline. There's a trampoline. There's Kuya. Kuya! What are you gonna play? That one? Basketball with Daddy. There's Daddy. I request ni Cody mag-Chuck and cheese. And after this, Walmart. Hindi ko alam pa ano. Bibili niya sa Walmart. Talagang nasa list na yan. Target, Chuck and Cheese, Walmart. Parang siyang time zone ng Pilipinas. Pinasosyal na version. May restaurant. So, pwede ka mag-order ng food habang nagpa-play siya. Makain ako ng Dippin' Dots. Or ng food. Yeah. Trampoline, mga rides, yan. Okay na, right? Dadating na si Bianca and Sam. Mamayang 8 p.m. And tomorrow, we're gonna go to Disneyland. December 25, Christmas Day. Disneyland kami. Kasi yun lang ang bukas. Dahil yung mga ibang shops or store close pag December 25. Hanapin natin yung dalawang boys. Ayan, naglalaro sila.
Target na ata! Magaling ka! Magaling ka kay Daddy?
No? That's Scooby-Doo. Where's Scooby-Doo? Hi! Get your start. The smaller one. They're here. Nina Bianca and Kiki.
Come on. Yippee. Yippee.
Attraction wait times permitted in our theme park,
Yes, holidays.
Esplanade between the parks, or in the downtown Disney district.
Oh, get the balloon! Get the balloon! Dali. Ayaw ilapit ng daddy. Merry Christmas! For the vlog, dude. Royalty. Waiting for me. And I became a princess overnight. So much to learn and see. Up in the castle with the family. Just for royalty. Do your head. Do the head. Dance the head. Dance your head. Do like that. Kapi kuya. Kapi kuya. Do like that. Oh. Bye bye. Bye bye bye.
The evil Emperor Zurg.
How about you, Sophia? Wow! Kuya! Go feed the duck. One popcorn. Give one popcorn. That's enough. Super huge. Super laki. Oh, init. Balloons for Sophia. Yeah, let's choose the red one. Sophia. Why Disneyland? So boring. Merry Christmas, everyone! Celebrate namin yung Christmas Day here in Disneyland. Like this. So yummy. This is yummy also. Yummy, yummy. Yum, yum, yum. Hello! Hi, little girl! Dito kami ngayon sa Rodeo Drive. Someone's happy. I got his Christmas and birthday gift from Daddy. Oh. Hello? Good morning. Good morning. Oh, you have hiccups. Good morning. Good morning, Pia. Oh, chika boom boom. Oh, you have hiccups. Morning! Close pa yung mall, 11 p.m. Ang aga namin this weekend. Happy New Year! What's that? Flower? Don't eat that. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No? No? No, no, no. No, no, no. No. Sophia. Busy-busy yung dalawa. Magkamay. Advance na siguro.
Ba't mo na ako?
Where are you? Ross. Say Ross. Ross. What's that? Walmart. Going to Walmart. Yung lahat na pinuntahan nito, Target, Walmart, CVS. Batang. Lahat talaga pupuntahan niya. Yan ang nasa itinerary niya. Target, Walmart. Here's Mr. Lanky Bags. Lanky Bags. Lanky Bags. Okay, we need to find a weighing scale. Go, go, go. Go find a weighing scale.
I don't turn one.
I'm not sure if there's weighing scale over here. There's Godzilla. Yeah. Happy New Year, guys! Nandito kami ngayon sa Hollywood Street. Walk of Fame. And
next right, and then left turn.
100 meters. Turn right.
we made it to Universal. Good morning! Let's go. Show your bed. No. Kala ko sa Korea, malamig, super lamig dito.
Ayan ang Mario, oh.
Made it in time for Super Nintendo World. That's one First time to ride The Simpsons. Nabahay ng french fries na ganito ulit. Look. Super tiny. Ano to, anak? Kids Happy Meal, right? Then meron din silang, let me see the apple slices. Can I see? Show them the apple slices. Yan. Pag Happy Meal yan, may apple slices din and ganito. Mini french fries. Sobrang lamig. Nakapantulog ka pa.
Okay, you can go. Go.
Sobrang lamig kanina. Hindi namin kinaya. Kaya halos half day lang kami sa Universal. Buti na lang may express pass kami. Kaya nasakyan namin lahat. Kaso sobrang lamig. Ayun. Ending inubos ipon. Kaya on the way ako ngayon sa Target para bumili ng gamot. Back. Balik na tayo sa bahay ngayon.
In 0.2 of a mile, your destination is ahead.
Home.
You've arrived. Destination is on your right.
You have arrived at your destination. The route guidance is now finished.
Last day here in LA. Last day in Target. You have to scan it, kuya. Oh, look at that face. Bye-bye, US. Going back to Philippines. We're going back to Manila. See you next time. So 3 hours na kami delayed. Nandito pa din kami sa plane. Say bye! Bye! Bye!